Well, a lot of organizations have a lot of data sets that they would like to use for security purposes. Might be sitting in a SIM. We hear about people keeping things in SIM and at the same time at S3 buckets. People have different way of dealing with data. People also are not happy with the way they deal with security data for detection and response. They bought a SIM, they're not happy with it, they're not getting the security value that they would like to. It's too hard to build queries, to maintain the rules. They're looking for a modern solution. What we offer now, uniquely with Snowflake, and Snowflake is a great partner to hunters. They were an investor, an early customer, and now they are a partner of us. What we offer organizations is to completely shift the paradigm from putting the data in old SIMs or with things that don't scale, shifting the data to modern data lake on Snowflake. And Hunters is providing the ETL layer to be able to fast lift and shift data from Splunk, QRadar, Logarithm, Sumo Logic, Elastic, whatever your data is. If you want to consolidate it and move it into Snowflake Security Data Lake, Hunters will help you take it, shift it, and build it in a way into a schema that is easily queryable. You can do your threat hunting on top. You can get easy visibility for forensics. So that is a new product that we're launching, ETL for Security Data Lake. There are a lot of ETLs in the market helping you lift and shift data. We are dedicated for security because we know how to build this schema layer, this unified layer of the data coming from the different sources of data that you have in security, from endpoint, from network, from cloud, from email, from identity, and put it in a way that is usable for your SOC operation.